Hello friends, welcome back to CarOg 765, your ultimate destination for classic American cars, trucks, and vintage rides. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing family of car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a real classic, a true legend of American pickup trucks, the 1968 Chevrolet C30. This truck is not just a machine, it's a piece of automotive history that combines power, durability, and timeless style. The 1968 Chevrolet C30 belongs to Chevy's C series, specifically designed for heavy-duty work. While the C10 and C20 were popular for lighter loads, the C30 was built for those who needed serious hauling and towing capability. It's a dual rear-wheel truck, often called a dually, which gives it superior stability and strength when carrying heavy loads. Whether it's farm work, commercial use, or just a statement on the road, the C30 stands tall as a symbol of toughness. One of the most striking features of the 1968 C30 is its design. Chevrolet in the late 60s combined function with style in a way that made their trucks not only workhorses but also visually appealing. The front grille is wide and commanding, with a simple, clean design that screams classic American engineering. The round headlights, chrome accents, and bold Chevy emblem give it a presence that's hard to ignore. Even after more than 5 decades, the C30's design still looks purposeful and iconic. Under the hood, the 1968 C30 could be equipped with a range of engines. From the reliable inline-6 engines to big block version 8s, these trucks were built to handle anything you throw at them. Imagine a 427 cubic inch V8 powering this dually. It's a beast that not only hauls heavy loads but also delivers an unforgettable driving experience. The torque and horsepower in these engines made long hauls and towing tasks seem effortless, and they're a favorite among classic truck restorers today. The interior of the C30 reflects the practical mindset of its era. It's simple, straightforward, and built to last. You'll find durable bench seats, basic gauges, and a large steering wheel that gives you complete control over this massive truck. While it doesn't have modern luxuries, that's the charm. It's raw, functional, and pure. Every time you sit inside, you can feel the history and craftsmanship that went into making these trucks. Restoring a 1968 C30 often involves keeping that vintage feel while updating it for modern reliability, and that balance is what makes working on these trucks so satisfying. Another aspect that makes the C30 special is its versatility. These trucks were used in farms, construction sites, and businesses across America. They could carry heavy loads, tow trailers, and handle rough terrain, all while looking stylish. Collectors today love them not just for their mechanical capabilities but also for their story. Every dent, scratch, and patina tells a tale of years of hard work and adventure. If you ever get a chance to see a well-maintained 1968 C30 in person, you'll notice the attention to detail. The body lines are clean and strong, the wheel arches are wide to accommodate those dual rear wheels, and the bed is spacious enough for almost any cargo. Many restorers choose to keep them in original condition, while others add modern touches like upgraded suspension, brakes, or even air conditioning, blending classic style with modern comfort. Owning a 1968 C30 today is like holding a piece of American history. It's more than just a truck, it's a statement about durability, craftsmanship, and pride in work. Restoring and driving one connects you to a time when trucks were built to last decades, not just years. Car shows often feature these trucks, and they're a crowd favorite because they represent that golden era of Chevrolet trucks. For those who love customization, the C30 is a dream. Whether you want to restore it to its original glory or convert it into a showpiece with custom paint, interiors, and engine upgrades, the platform is strong and flexible. The dual rear wheel setup adds a unique touch, making it stand out from other classic pickups on the road. In conclusion, the 1968 Chevrolet C30 is a true classic that deserves respect and admiration. It's powerful, durable, stylish, and full of character. Whether you're a collector, a restorer, or just someone who appreciates vintage trucks, the C30 is a vehicle that never goes unnoticed. Its legacy continues to inspire enthusiasts, and every time you see one cruising down the road, you can't help but smile. Thank you for watching this appreciation video of the 1968 Chevrolet C30. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to subscribe to CarAug 765 for more content on classic cars, pickups, and automotive history. Hit that like button, leave a comment telling us your favorite Chevy truck, and share this video with your fellow car lovers. Until next time, keep loving cars, keep restoring history, and keep enjoying the ride.